Legends of Learning presents the Changes in Ecosystems Over Time game. This is a science game that makes learning about changes in ecosystems over time fun and easy to understand. In this informative, instructional game, you will go through interactive teaching and learning screens to learn about ecosystems. This is an introductory game that will also walk you through the scientific vocabulary associated with ecosystem changes. Your job is to put each diagram in the correct sequence to activate the tutorial for each topic as you learn about ecological succession, the carbon and nitrogen cycles, and global warming. Learn about the ecosystem by clicking, holding, and dragging and dropping with your mouse the different puzzle pieces in ascending order. Learn new scientific words that are associated with the ecosystem changes. You must answer questions to test your knowledge and complete all the teaching and learning screens to complete the game. Are you ready to accept the challenge? Do you have the right skills to help you win the game? Have fun and enjoy playing!